Raising your standards. For an OEM, a tier 1 supplier, or an automation engineering firm, raising your standards means working with better automation engineers who are more professional and more experienced. For design, simulation, build, programming, installation, integration, and maintenance work, Automate America will raise your standards. When a manufacturing company engages Automate America, they immediately raise the standard of the professionals that they work with, which increases the quality of their automation, improves uptime, decreases cycle time, and helps the overall working environment. But the most underlying value that the Automate America engineers bring to you and your facility and your team is the experience that they have across other industries and working at other facilities. They bring the best ideas and suggestions to your automation. If you're ready to raise your standards, contact automateamerica.com today. Have a great day.